How to assemble the intelligent LED floor light from Nexxt Home. Make sure you have all the parts you need at hand. First, fit the metal segments of the lamp structure together, coupling male with female. Feed the LED strip through the slot at the bottom of the tube and extend it along the entire length of the groove, all the way to the top edge. Now remove the blue adhesive strip while carefully fixing the LED strip along the channel, following a straight line from top to bottom. Assemble the 4 white acrylic shades onto the lamp, starting at the bottom. Fit each shade into the edge rails on the metal canal, gently pressing down until it clicks into place. Make sure that the joints of the shades exactly match those of the metal segments. Place the cover on top of the lamp. Carefully lay the tube on its side and screw the base to its bottom. The vertex of the base must end up on the side of the white screens, just below the cable outlet. Attach the legs of the lamp to the base and screw them firmly using the Allen key. Connect the LED strip and the controller through the 5-way male and female connectors, making sure the directional arrows on both ends point against each other. Plug the power adapter into the controller. Now place the lamp on the corner of your choice and plug it into a wall outlet. It is now ready to enter pairing mode. With this, you have learned how to assemble the intelligent LED floor lamp from Nexxt Home.